Step over the stand. My foot's behind the front. Slide it, slide it, slide it, slide it.
What is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, all we're doing pretty much is just cleaning the engine, taking care of a lot of maintenance shit. Nothing crazy, all stuff you've probably seen before on other YouTube channels, or even me with my 2.0 prior to this. There's a ton of carbon buildup on here, so we're gonna try to clean some of that off. And that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing for tonight, because it's dark out, nighttime. Had a very late day at work. The cross hatching on the cylinder walls was good, so that gives me very high hope for a good motor. But yeah, so we're gonna get to cleaning. I got wire brushes here and some brake clean. We're just gonna start scrubbing away, trying to get all that nasty shit off. Garbage, and then swing over to the other side. Oof, not garbage.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy. We back at it.
Ain't never opened up like that before. Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing Subaru things. I got my boy Jake, and right now we're disassembling my 2.5. He also brought his Sabrina, which also has a 2.5.
How do you flip the camera, bro?
So fun fact, fuck that.
I'm trying to flip it on me.
Just
That's
Why did you do that?
What do you mean?
You're supposed to.
Fun fact, Jacob is going from one unreliable EJ to another unreliable EJ.
Yeah, but the difference is I'm refreshing this one. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this, but like we have tried to film this intro 3 fucking times.
Listen, as you guys are aware, I'm sure you're aware at this point, Jacob is taking the unreliable 2.0 and replacing it with the unreliable 2.5.
Oh, is it unreliable?
Slightly, maybe. We'll see. But
I feel like the fact that this motor has the same amount of mileage that motor in my car had about 3.5, almost 4 years ago when I first bought it, isn't that bad. And so far, all of the telltale signs of a bad motor, I haven't seen as I've been taking this apart. So I feel like, and again, knock on air, because like fucking wood burns, you know what I mean? I feel like,
man,
it's
they
gonna
make
be
fireplaces for that.
Oil drained. I didn't see any sparkles. I saw bubbles and I thought there were sparkles, but I had Jake.
It's dark. It's just some dark oil. It's fine.
Yeah,
it's fine.
There's
but
no...
you know, shout out to whoever sent this on.
Yeah, dude. Whoever the fuck put that oil filter on, you need to calm down.
I did drive my Saab here. You could do so. You may have seen it a couple times, but I have the
I feel like they've seen it enough times.
The front passenger bag. The front passenger bag.
Oh my god, you're such a hill.
I think it's making a little clunk, and I think something's loose. I tightened down the pillow ball nut the other day because it was clunking. It might have come loose again. I don't really know. I think it's supposed to have a locking nut, but I bought these. Don't buy bags secondhand from people who say that it has everything, but it in fact doesn't have everything.
Or just hear me out, and this might be crazy.
If you say no, go ahead, say it. Go ahead.
Bags are for groceries. Functionality, practicality. That's what we're looking for.
Made.
My name's Jake, and I can raise and lower my car. I can put it in New Hampshire mode. I love how like this just isn't even like. Get out of here, bro. There you go.
Oh, that sounds so good. Hold on.
Wait a minute.
Hold on. Let me get in there really quick. Go ahead.
ASMR. Dude, that is. Oh, I hate that.
That's so awful.
All right, corner.
There you go. What the fuck? Why is there fucking...
Bruh.
Dumbass.
You see what I mean? This is why I say don't use this stuff, dude. Like, this is... And then you have to do this. You have to fucking do this. Yeah.
Pretty clean.
Yeah.
It's pretty clean.
Pretty solid.
Can't say anything bad. I'm sorry.
That's gonna...
Here comes the paste man himself.
The paste, man. What does that even mean?
Bro, why you walk like an actual gremlin?
Why are you making fun of it? He just got here.
I told you I was taking this camera in his face as soon as he gets here.
Okay, just so everyone's aware, Jake's handle on like TikTok and shit is habitual
No,
shit starter.
the nickname that I used on TikTok was habitual shit starter.
Nickname my ass.
Because I like to bully people online. Isn't that right, Cam?
No, you know what that makes you sound like?
A bully? Says the
I like
bitch
to bully
who's-
people online.
Yeah, this is factual information.
Am I right?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think you're
Alright, so fun fact. When you put this Killer Bee windage tray on, there's 2 extra bolts that you're no longer going to need. I was not aware of that. Had I not known that, I would have been sitting here like...
I am so tired right now. It's like pure exhaust.
I did not expect that to happen.
Yeah, that's crazy.
They locked me in a room.
Stop.
a rubber room.
Oh,
A rubber room full of EJs.
Oh, that's even worse.
Actually,
That's even worse.
my fucking hell.
Jake and Cameron have gone home. They're probably going to come back here tomorrow while I'm at work and probably try to do a couple of more things because, like I said, we are trying to get this thing ready so that we can all drive down to Pennsylvania and, like, all of us, meaning myself included, my own car. So we're on a bit of a schedule, like not time crunch, but like we have like a week before we're headed out. So pretty straightforward stuff. We're pretty much almost there. We're just gonna throw the heads on. I'm gonna clean these oil valleys and like the coolant passages and stuff. Make sure that's all nice and good, and then probably throw the heads on maybe, and also paint this turbo real quick because I've been like itching to do it and see how this color is gonna come out. So we'll see how it comes out.
Sunday, Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. The weekend comes, my cycle hums, ready to race to you.
I got the cylinder head on. I'm about to torque it down. I dipped all the bolts in oil. 5W40 threw it in that little Subaru cup. I just hand tightened all of them. So now we're gonna go ahead and tighten these. I kind of forgot the orientation, so I'm just re-educating myself on how to do that, but I'm also just kind of going through and just cleaning everything. But all in all, the cylinder head is about to be on, and we're gonna go flip to the other side and do the same thing. I'm also multitasking and kind of painting over here, so I'm going for this sort of like acid yellowish color.
Jacob's not here right now, so we're in his home. We broke into his garage to work on the fucking car. The only thing we're aware of that Jacob did last night is this, which, I don't know, guys. You let us know in the comments below what you think. Yo, he's got a brand new steering rack? Wow. Oh my lord, we in fact do know what the problem with the 2.0 is. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that timing belt looks to be a bit done. Wouldn't you say?
Just a little bit chewed up.
Oh my.
All right, so we are on like day 3 of doing this. This would have been done pretty quickly. I've just been working a lot, hence why in the last clip you just saw Jake and Cameron. Without me, I was at work, so I really appreciate them for getting this out for me. I got the power steering rack out. It was very annoying, but I did it. Super easy, but like kind of not really. We're going to take my cam gears, my camshafts, and we're gonna throw them onto that 2.5 over there. Also put this other new power steering rack in. I've got the tie rods right here. Get those on there. Get that back in the car while the motor's still out, just so it's pretty easy. I am also repainting stuff, i.e. turbo and TGVs and stuff. Turbo I had to repaint because while Cameron and Jake were here yesterday, somehow they fumbled up my paint. It's fine, I'll fix it. It's cool because while they fumbled that one, they ended up repainting my intake manifold for me. I really appreciate Cameron for that. This is like a deeper, more of a chrome, dark red. I also totally forgot about this bolt right here. For those of you who don't remember, back when I first got my car and I didn't really know what I was doing the valve cover gaskets, and over tightened this thing and snapped it off right in the cylinder head. And then Cameron was using this motor for a while, and he did the exact same thing, so he threw this in there, which is very funny. The camshaft came out, however, as it did come out, buckets didn't fall, which is good, but like the face of these two buckets did. Wait, I don't know if it's gonna fall again. But yeah, the face of these two buckets came off, and I'm not sure if maybe that's part of the reason why I was hearing so much noise in the heads. I'm not sure if that's the cause of all of the noise, but that's cause for concern right there. This is probably going to be like the last segment for this very scattered video. I do apologize for that. It was filmed over the course of a couple days. Like I said, I was working and all that stuff. This 2.0 is completely disassembled. I've grabbed everything I've needed off of it. I've got the camshafts. I've got coolant temp sensor. I need to grab my knock sensor. I almost forgot. We got the cylinder 4 cooling mod. Clutch and flywheel are off. So all we need now is coil packs, inner timing cover, and a retune because I'm throwing TGV deletes on, or I might hold off on that until actually we get back, just so I can drive it and just kind of enjoy the car as it is. This 2.0 was running pretty smooth. I mean, I noticed a couple of little things, like the headers were a little bit wet, but the cylinder walls, nice and dry, so I know it's nothing for like a real cause for concern. It might have honestly been the power steering fluid because the rack was right above it and that was leaking, so it could have been that. And then also the whole thing with like the buckets and stuff, the shim buckets having the face fall off. And then also on the other side, we don't have shim buckets. They're the shimless ones, so the ones without the spinning tops. So that could have been also another cause for concern. But yeah, guys, I am super tired. There is not really much else I can do right now. I'm gonna go get this off of this hoist and throw it on a tire and get it out of our way because we no longer need it anymore. And then probably try to just button up this rack and pinion because I literally have it just sitting in there. It was such a task to get that in there. I'm not so sure why, but listen, first time doing everything here, okay? That's my first time doing a rack and pinion. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing, but I did it, and now I just gotta button it all up, so sick. This line here has gotta go to the front right there, so I gotta bring it back down a little bit, and so I can try to get this in there, but no big deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was scattered, kind of weird, but we were just hanging out, just trying to just get this shit done. So thank you all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And worst case, I'm probably not gonna drive my car down to PA, but I you know, still a couple more days. So I'd like to, but if I'm not, then I'm not. I'm gonna be riding with Jake or something. So peace out, y'all, and I will see you in the next video.